Alright guys, welcome back to the shop. This is Trading Tools episode 3. And you can see right there that I got something today from Kevin over at Bit and Bark. Definitely check out his channel. He's got a lot of things, a lot of cool things going on, a lot of cool axes, a lot of splitting and bucking footage. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Check him out. So, let's see what we got here. He said I could read this if I wanted to and record it. Love the stickers, dude. Stickers are awesome. I'll show you where these are going later. Yeah, he says, Chad, hope you like the axe. I threw in an original vintage True Temper hatchet handle since you said you've been making your own handles. Can use this one to make a template for yourself. Thanks for working out a trade with me, and like Joe says, make sure to keep your axe waxed. Awesome, man. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. I'll definitely trace that and make a template. That is awesome. Alright, bear with me a sec. This box is like huge for the table, but I think I can open it up here on the side and then show you what I have in here on top of the box. Alright, I'm just going to pull it down here real quick. Alright, definitely packaged up well, which is awesome. Holy moly. Alright, I'm going to lay that there. Very good. Alright guys, I'm going to bring you over here. Sorry, I never said I was good at making videos, but here's what we got. We have a Craftsman single bit. I think it's a little over 3 pounds. Oh man, look at that. Man Edge, Craftsman. Holy moly. Look at that hang. Put a nice apple wedge in there, he said. And it's hung on a Whiskey River 28 rugs. Look at that. 28-inch rugs. Yeah, it looks awesome on this. It looks so good. This thing's nice. Thank you. Thanks, Kevin. And let's see what else he sent. I was not expecting anything extra. That's just what we agreed on. Nice tight hang on that, Kevin. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at that. Nice. This will make an awesome pattern. That's actually, that's perfect, man. That's awesome. Heck yeah. Yeah, look at that. Original. It's hard to see, but I can see the True Temper in there. That's awesome. Thank you, Kevin. Man, I really appreciate it. And this is going right here. Awesome. Thank you, Kevin. Love the stickers. Everybody loves stickers. Thanks for watching, guys.